guys, this is Mindy's Marketing Mondays. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Marketing Mondays. This is Starfish's bi-monthly segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help scale and grow your business online. Today, I want to talk about diversifying your investments. And I know that sounds super important and very calculated, but it actually is super critical to your online presence. So back in October, Facebook shut down for a few hours in the middle of the day. Mark Zuckerberg came out and made an announcement through the Facebook platform apologizing for the inconvenience of the shutdown. And I found this particularly interesting because I actually went and read the comments under that post to see what people were saying in regards to the shutdown. So essentially there were thousands upon thousands of comments of business owners and entrepreneurs basically complaining that they have lost a bunch of money due to that inconvenient shutdown because their customers were not able to reach them, or they were not able to boost their sales, or that they couldn't even get in contact with people that they were even working with or employed. So this is super critical in acknowledging that funneling all your money into one platform is very dangerous for your business. Obviously, Facebook is a great platform for businesses to be on and to tell their story and to grow and network on, but Facebook should not be your only source of income when it comes to promoting your business. There are thousands of digital platforms out there and thousands of social media platforms out there. Yes, actual thousands that you can use to help grow your business. For instance, there's also Instagram, TikTok, Clubhouse, Twitter, YouTube, and many more. Those are just some of the most popular and off the top of my head. If you are only focusing your content into one platform, you are gonna have a hard time growing your business past the point of where it's at currently. There's a lot of changes happening right now in the digital advertising industry, and a lot of it is surrounding breaking up these platforms that are too powerful, Facebook being one and Google being another. So different ways that you can focus on that is just making sure that your business account is through different platforms and not just social media. Not all your customers are on one single platform. Some of your customers may not even have a Facebook. Some of your ideal customers may not even have a Twitter. Some of them may not have social media at all. So it's important to make sure that you are marketing them on all the different places that they could possibly end up. Plus, it is really important to use all the unique capabilities that each platform offers. I'll give an example like TikTok. TikTok is a very unique social media platform that offers a lot of video editing tools that are available literally at your fingertips. So this could be super important for your brand because you don't have to invest in super expensive video editing equipment, and you can edit directly from the platform itself. And TikTok gives you the availability to download those videos and you can share them on other platforms. As well as if you look at Instagram's platform, Instagram is a photo-centered platform. It has many filters that you can use and its own editing software as well to help make your picture stand out. So each platform has a unique capability, and you need to make sure that your brand is telling its story in different ways, not just through writing-based content and word-based content, but voice-activated content, and as well as video and photo, and then of course even your in-person marketing, which is also a form of obviously promoting your brand. Do not copy and paste your content from one platform to the next. Although it's okay to use video for multiple platforms, you want to make sure that your content is different each platform. So it's super important to make sure that you do your research and figure out what are the best platforms for your industry to be on and work your hardest at trying to make sure your brand is visible on each one of those platforms. There are multiple outlets as well when it comes to marketing your brand. A minute ago, I mentioned in person. So this is a form of what we call network marketing. So if you've been to events and you've gone out in your community and you've attended different community focused events and things like that, that is an example of network marketing. Network marketing is important to help build your brand. So all of your marketing should never be just 100% focused in the digital. You should have a very strong digital presence, because I think COVID taught us that being online is super important. And then the great Facebook shutdown circa October 2021 taught us that it is important to not only be online, but do not be on one platform online. And another super important reason about being online and being on multiple outlets online is what we call your directory listings. It's important to make sure that your business is identifiable and searchable on different search platforms, because there is an algorithm and AI system that goes into how people are able to find you, and we call this a directory listing. So it's important to not just focus on Google, but other platforms where people may search and find you, because this helps these AI systems bring your brand up to consumers and makes it more discoverable for people to actually find you in the event that they are looking for your brand. And of course, your directories help your SEO, and that helps tie everything together. So pretty much everything works very synergistically when it comes to your marketing and advertising, and everything needs to have some form of connection, and you need to make sure that your presence is available in several different ways. I hope you found this information useful, and I hope that you are now doing research on the different platforms that your business should be available on. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content. And if you have any other suggestions, please let us know, because we'd love to discuss them.